In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email templates in Monday.com. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to manage client or project communications more efficiently through this versatile platform. Let's begin by accessing your Monday.com account. Start by navigating to the board where you typically manage your client or project communications. Once you're on the right board, look at the top bar and click on the plus icon, then select Apps. In the App Marketplace, you'll want to search for emails and activities. Click Add to Board to install the app. This app is integral as it allows you to send, log, and even automate emails directly from your Monday.com dashboard, streamlining your workflow significantly. After successfully adding the app, the next step is to connect your email account. Click on Connect Your Email, and you will have the option to choose between Gmail or Outlook, depending on your provider. Follow the prompts to log in and authorize Monday.com to send emails on your behalf. Once this is done, you will notice your email address appearing under the integration settings, indicating a successful connection. Now that your email is integrated, let's move on to composing an email template. Within your board, switch to the Emails and Activities view. From there, click Send Email, which will open up an email window. You'll find a Templates button, click on it, and proceed to choose Create New Template. At this stage, craft your message and remember to use placeholders where necessary for personalization. Placeholders are key for making each email feel tailored to the recipient, which is particularly useful if you're sending out emails en masse. Once your message is drafted, save your work by clicking Save as Template. It's a good idea to name your template descriptively, something like Client Weekly Update or Payment Reminder. With your template saved, it becomes a reusable asset, allowing you to select and use it whenever you're drafting emails, saving you time and effort in recurring communication tasks. Finally, let's touch on how you can keep track of your email correspondences. Within the Emails and Activities view on your board, you can monitor all emails sent via Monday.com. This includes details about who sent them, who received them, and the time they were sent. It's a comprehensive view that not only allows you to ensure everything's on track, but also enables you to reply, forward, or delete messages directly within the platform, maintaining a seamless communication flow. With all of these capabilities, accessing and utilizing email templates within Monday.com transforms your email communication into a more streamlined and